Well, hello there everyone. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and I do encourage you to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. Today's video is a review of the Marc Jacobs Noir Mascara and Velvet Primer. So I received this from Influencer to review and try out, so I'm doing just that. So starting off first with the primer, this is what it looks like, and I'm just going to open it up and show you how the brush head looks as well. So upon opening, you are greeted with an absolutely disgusting, terrible brush head, and it looks like a clumpy, gloppy mess. Let's hope that the mascara wand is, nope, it is not much better at all. Okay, so this is going to be absolutely terrible. So let's start with the Velvet Primer. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my lashes, and it is going on very clumpy. The mascara wand feels absolutely terrible. It is not separating my lashes. It's not evenly coating them with the primer. It's a mess, and I'm sorry if you hear Jack screaming in the background, but he is fighting a nap right now, and I've got to do this voiceover. So here's an up-close look of the primer, and it looks terrible and clumpy and disgusting. So let's just do the other eye. Let's get this going. Next, it's on to the Noir Mascara, and it is no better than the primer. It looks absolutely clumpy and terrible, and my eyelashes look like spider-like mess. There's no fixing this. It's terrible. I really dislike. I'm sure if it was a better applicator, like a better brush head, it would be awesome, but it's just caking this on my eyelashes and not separating them. It is absolutely terrible. I'm trying to salvage this with my Clump Crusher mascara wand. I'm just trying to spread it out, make my lashes look normal. It's not working. Well, there it is. There is the final look up close of the Marc Jacobs Velvet Primer and Noir Mascara. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. It's terrible. It's a mess. So there it is. I hope you enjoyed this little review of the Marc Jacobs Noir Mascara and Velvet Primer. I give this a big thumbs down. If you like it, I'm sorry, but for me, I absolutely hate this. So don't forget to give this video a like. Also, why not share, favorite, and subscribe to my channel for more. And don't forget to turn on the notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful, okay? Bye!